In this video, I'll show you how to find Bolt.New promo codes in 2026. First, visit the official Bolt.New website and sign in to your account. If you don't already have an account, create one to access the platform. Next, open the pricing page and review the available plans. Check whether Bolt.New is currently offering promotional pricing, free credits, or limited-time discounts for new or existing users. After that, subscribe to the Bolt.New newsletter or follow the official Bolt.New announcements to stay informed about future promotions, product updates, and special offers. Now, if you have a valid promo code, begin upgrading to a paid plan. During the checkout process, enter your promo code in the appropriate field and verify that the discount has been applied before completing your purchase. Finally, review your order summary to confirm the final price before completing the payment. If there aren't any active promotions, check back later, as Bolt.New may introduce new offers or limited-time discounts throughout the year. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find Bolt.New promo codes in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.